Obi, our baby wants a favor from you.
Okay, go on. Let me hear it.
Our baby is no longer comfortable with a lot of people around us. These guards, mates. It's choking us.
Hey, baby.
We want you to sack them.
Hey? Come on. This is palace. Okay? Besides, it's big. So we need them around here. We need them to stay here and work for us.
But my baby does not need them. It's suffocating my baby. Do you want me to lose my child? Eh? Is that what you want? We are not comfortable with it. Sack them. Do away with all of them. Let's be fine.
Babe, come on, I can't. I can't sack them. These people need this job to survive. And we need them. We need their services. Especially you. I mean, look at your condition. You need them around you. Okay?
You see, you want to favor others against your own child. You have seen what your father just said. He said that he's not going to sack them. That he's not going to do that. You've seen the kind of father you have. He doesn't care if you're alive or you're dead.
Hey,
no problem.
Come on,
we will survive.
That. Stop saying that. Stop. Okay.
We will survive.
Okay. I am going to sack them. Are you happy now?
The baby is happy. He was kicking me before. One night I stopped.
It's okay. Stop kicking your mommy.
Now that you say you sacked them, it's fine now.
Are you happy now?
The baby is happy.
Mama, I've been thinking. I've thought left, right, front, back, center. And I've come to a conclusion. Mama, there is no point me wasting in this village. It's been 9 months Chikwado ran away with my 5 million naira. I've decided to go to the city.
To the city?
Yes, Mama.
Whose house will you stay if you go there? And who do you know there?
Mama, I'm going to Colin's house. Yes, I'm going to Colin's house. When I get there, I will tell him the whole truth. I mean, it wasn't my fault. It was a mistake.
Mistake? Ebuka, yours was a grievous mistake. Because you are stupid, senseless and useless. Which man in his right senses will make such mistake? To pay in 5 million naira into a stranger's account, not even 1,000 naira. Eh? Someone that is not your mother, brother, sister, or even your wife. Ebuka, shame on you. Shame!
Mama, there are so many men out there who can make this kind of mistake. Eh? That's why it's called mistake. Mama, if you are in love, you can make this kind of mistake.
Never. Mama.
Collins, your son can still make this kind of mistake, Mama.
I reject it. God forbid. Clean that mouth, you used to say that. God forbid. Collins will never make such mistake. Never. Anyway, business is not your calling. That is what I have come to know. Now business mancha. It's better for you to look for something to do. Yeah, that reminds me. That filling station at our junction. The filling station near St. Andrew's Catholic Church. They are looking for fuel attendants. You can go there and apply now that there is still vacant.
God forbid. Mama, I say God forbid. Now big boy Nina. Eh? I should apply as fuel pump attendant. Mami Chikwanyagi. I reject it.
Nah, stop rejecting it. You know, God, it is better for you now to go and embrace it now that the vacancy is still there. It is your calling. Go and grab it now. Go and grab it now. Rush. Rush. Rush now to the filling station and grab it. Mama,
look at it now. Look at it now. You have to see reasons with me.
The earlier you go to that filling station to apply, the better for you. Go, I want to talk to you.
Mom, I need to run now. Usonwa is sleeping. I want to go to somewhere and come back before she wakes.
No, I can't wait anymore. Who did you consult before sacking the maids and guards in the palace? Has it ever been heard that there is a palace without maids and guards?
Mom, my unborn baby is not comfortable with them, so I had to sack them.
Ugonna. Hey, how did you know that the unborn baby is not comfortable with the presence of maids and guards? Who run errands in the palace? Have you thought about our security?
Mom, someone said so, and I know she won't be lying. Anyway, Mom, please, allow peace to reign. Please, Biko.
Ugonna, Usonwa is not normal. Yes! Something is not right with her. She keeps coming up with one thing after the other every day. The same woman made you walk out on the elders in the cabinet meeting. Ugonna, eyes are on you. People are watching, Ugonna.
Mom, I am leaving. Yes, I have to go now.
Honey? Honey?
So dangerous, jealousy can never end you anything good. It's so deadly, so deadly. Whatever you do, I'll waste you.
Oh, you're awake.
Honey? You are leaving the house without telling me.
You're awake already. I was trying to rush you somewhere and come back before you wake.
Honey, huh?
Baby. Are you okay?
Honey, you are leaving the house wearing shoe.
Yes.
No, honey, you cannot wear your shoe.
Why?
Our baby does not like it. That is why I came out to tell you. Our baby does not want you to go like this. You have to go barefooted and without your car. That's what
Baby,
my
I cannot do that. Where I am going to is far from this village. And it's dangerous. I might be kidnapped without my car.
You want my baby to die? Is that what you want? For me to carry this baby for a very long time and the baby will die? Is that what you want? Honey, this is not what my baby wants. You said that everything I want you will do for me. Everything our baby wants you do for our baby. This is what our baby desires of you. Hey.
Without my car?
Yes. Go without your car. Leave the car here. Go. That's what my baby wants.
Whatever you do, I'll waste you someday. Whatever you do, I'll waste you someday.
Hold on.
Chico! Chikwado? Chikwado, where is my money?
Which money?
Where is my money? Chikwado, where is my hard-earned money? Oh, you think I will not catch you, eh? You think I will not catch you? Ngwanezim ginem. Akubachago. Neginezim. Where's my money? Where is my money, Chikwado?
Don't touch me now. Don't touch me. What is it, Seth? No. They didn't give me any money to keep for you. Besides, did I tell you that I ran away before?
Chikwado, where's my money? Can I go now?
Ebuka, did you beat me?
Chukwu, is this pregnancy I am seeing? I feel like Ibu.
The last time I checked, you're not blind.
Chukwu, what are you doing in my brother's house pregnant?
Who's that barking like a dog?
I can't see you. Collins, did I hear you call her sweetheart? Go and see my love. So look what? My girlfriend, my brother. Hey! Hey!
Angela, can you for once in your life try to be happy? Eh? Alright, tell me, what is it this time?
Mom, where are the palace maids and guards? I can't find any of them. I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning.
What do you mean, where are the maids? They should be in their quarters.
Which quarters, mother? I've searched everywhere for them and I didn't see any of them.
Excuse me?
Quite excused. Mom, please, I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry.
They should be in their quarters. What do you mean by there? They're not there.
Hi, greetings. You're welcome. Please sit. My in-law, Queen Amara, you sounded very urgent over the phone. Is everything okay?
If I told you that everything is fine since my son got married to your daughter Usonwa, I would be lying. I don't know if you have noticed some irregularities in your daughter's behavior before now. She became pregnant. It became worse. See, I do not want to inform you or anyone about it, but I can no longer condone her unruly behavior.
Yes. This is strange. My queen, I am so sorry about my daughter's misbehavior. I'm so sorry about that. And I promise to talk to her. I will really talk to her. And I believe strongly in my spirit that she will change.
Please, talk to your daughter. I don't know the magic you are going to do, but I hope she will listen to you.
Sure, she will. Where is she? Can I see her?
Yes, you can see her.
So is that the back? Yeah. I don't know if somebody can lead me.
What is going on in this palace? I'm sick and tired of Ugonna's behavior. What is all this? What nonsense is going on in this palace? Mom, what is going on? How can Ugonna do this? Ugonna have started though. Mom, Ugonna feels he controls everything on this palace, Mom.
What? What has he done this time?
Mom, how can Ugonna go ahead and sack all the whole palace guards and maids in this palace without consulting any of us? How?
Sacked?
Sacked!
Angela,
Mom,
just calm down. Calm down. I need to speak to Ugonna now. This is totally unacceptable.
better talk some sense into that stupid Ugo now. If I start now, they will say Angela this, Angela that.
It's okay, my dear. Just calm down.
Better talk to him more.
Calm down.
Rebecca, get out of my house! Leave! Leave my house! Get out! I am going on your Collins!
Oh, this has been your plan all this while. To take my girlfriend away from me, Collins. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are taking your elder brother's girlfriend. You want it to go? Collins.
Who is your girlfriend?
Ebuka,
who is your girlfriend?
My girlfriend.
You are my girlfriend. I can never be.
Everybody in the village knows you're my girlfriend. Even Mama knows you're my girlfriend. What are you saying? You're my girlfriend.
Stop dreaming. Now just stop dreaming. I am not your girlfriend. I can never be.
Tell him.
Are you answering me? Have you ever seen my pants before?
Okay. It's again. Am I not the one that bought the pants for you? All the pants you're wearing, I bought them in Oye Market in our village. I know all the pants. Isn't that Bonia for getting? Let me see. Bonia, I know my pants. Take off your clothes. Let me see. I said, what's that one? You must give me my money.
She's not. Shut up your mouth, Rebecca. She's not your girlfriend. She will not be your girlfriend, and she can never be your girlfriend. Yes. Look at her now. Look at Chukwado, very beautiful girl, carrying my unborn child. That's to tell you that I'm coming to the village to do a marital rite very soon.
Yeah. Which right?
You will see.
Who is going to bless the marriage? As far as I'm concerned, I am the first son of the family. I am the one to bless the marriage. You will bless it. I must marry Chukwado. I must marry Chukwado.
It's impossible.
Think I'm wrong.
Yes, so. That will be over your dead body.
Madaka will deal with you.
Forget all these clothes you are wearing. You know you stop.
There's nothing you can do. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. Beat him, my love. Beat him. I don't care.
Usonwa, you are my daughter, my blood, my own seed, my offspring. Abia, you know how hard we worked to bring you here. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't mess up. Don't ruin it. Please. Mama, are you talking to me? No, Mama, I want to understand something. Are you talking to me? Did you come all the way to say this to me? Mama, you want me dead? No. No, you want me to die. But no problem. I will help you and make it easier. Usonwa. No, don't tell me that. Usonwa, you are my daughter. You will not die. Mama, you want me dead? God forbid. Come on, Mama. Mama, you want me dead? I will kill myself. So let me make it easier for you. God forbid. Let me make it easier for you. No, I will not just kill myself. I will make sure that the child in my tummy dies. God forbid. No, this child must die, yo. God forbid. This child must die. Usonwa, Biko. Usonwa. Hey, Usonwa, Biko. Calm down. What? Calm down. Please. I should calm down. Yes, please. No, I will not calm down because my mother wants me dead. No. My mother wants my child dead. No. So let me make it easier. No. Let me make it. Hey, Biko, one.
Ashawo, come on. Nyala. Poor man, I don't blame you. Is Zega gonna Zege? Under another person's shade. Abi? Under another man's shade. Oh, shade, go in another. Ashawo, come on. Do you know I can send you out of this house? You don't know? Yes! This is my house. My house.
House walk there.
Walk there.
Ask him house. You
walk there.
Idiot. Wanna be your house.
Oh,
no wonder. The first day I brought you to this place, you were admiring the whole house, the whole building. In your stupid dreams, you think this will be your house. You think it will be your house. I'm gonna give me my money, oh. Give me my money.
I don't owe you anything.
Thief,
I'm robber. You too.
You only.
God knows I did not steal anything from you.
Then where is my 5 million naira? Where is my 5 million naira? Idiot.
It's obvious you're drunk. Yes.
Me drunk?
Yes. It's obvious you're very drunk. Because I don't know what you're talking about. Which 5 million? Have you ever seen 5 million naira?
It is better to be a drunk than to be a sawo. Than to be jumping from one man to the other. Jumping from one brother to the other.
Are you brother?
Idiot.
Are you any brother?
Let me tell you. You must pay me that money.
Are you any brother?
You must pay me.
Which money?
If you don't give me that money,
that's my husband.
He's
my husband. And I've taken it.
Your husband's money?
Yes.
Look at you.
Look
at you. Am I not the one to bless the marriage?
I will release this dog for you now.
Dog will get back. Releasing dog for who?
Village champion. Go back to the village.
Come and marry my brother. Come and marry him now.
You're
marrying him.
You've seen the obvious.
Which obvious?
Yes, you've seen it.
Let me tell you, in case you don't
I'm
know.
marrying your brother already.
I am the eldest of the family. I am the one to bless the marriage. If I say no, my brother will not marry. And I know I'm going to bless the marriage.
And I'm pregnant. And I'm pregnant. That's to show that.
Thief.
I'm robber. I'm robber. Poor man.
I am pregnant.
Poor man that is.
Come and marry now.
Poor people, there's a way they think.
Idiot.
But we rich people, there's a way we
They're
think.
no rich.
Yes.
They're no rich.
Yes. Check me out. This is gold. I know fear. Look at you. You that I wanted to help. I wanted to help you. But, oh, my husband told me. He warned me, but I wouldn't listen.
You help me.
Yes.
You help me.
Yes.
Mommy called me.
Ugonna. Look at how you reduced your throne to ridicule.
What are you talking about?
You see, I was never in support of your marriage with Usonwa. That girl has brought so much pain and damage to us. Can't you see how she reduced you to nothing?
You're talking about my wife here.
That is the problem. You were so blinded by her love that you neglected a lot of things. Can't you see that that girl is abnormal? Ugonna, can't you see it?
Mom, nothing is wrong with Usonwa. My wife is passing through what every other woman passes through during pregnancy. And once she put to bed, she'll be fine.
And also the fact that she has carried the pregnancy for over 9 months.
It doesn't matter. Doctor said that it doesn't matter that it happens.
You see, you are equally confused. Ugonna, you are so confused that you can't see that that girl is not normal. Something is really wrong with Usonwa. Ugonna.
It's okay.
Things are falling apart. Everywhere is without peace. Gini kana sano, onyega bami anasan. Obode delua, obode delua, obieza ono mara, Ugonna.
That I've been keeping quiet in this palace does not mean that I am blind or stupid or even scared of you. Have you seen the mess created in this palace? The kitchen is messy, smelling of rotten food. The room, the electronics, everywhere is dusty. All because he laid off the maids. I can't take this. I can't.
Mom, Angela is there to help with house chores. As you can see, my wife and my baby are not comfortable with that.
So, Ugonna, you laid off the maids. You sacked the domestic staff. All because of your wife does not want them around. Well, I demand that they be brought back to the palace as soon as possible. I can't take any more of this excesses. The whole place is dirty. I hope I have made myself clear.
Things are falling apart. Everywhere is without peace.
My day was no good. I was so stressed. Ebuka turned his house and living here for me and my child. He was pushing me here and there, pushing me. It's just the grace of God that I'm still alive here. Oh.
Babe, why didn't you tell me about all this? Look at your condition. You don't deserve to be stressed at all.
Thank God you know. Thank God you know that I do not deserve stress. All I want now is just to be eating and enjoying. But Ebuka refused. Ebuka needs to go back to the village where he belongs. He needs to go back. If Ebuka continues to stay in this house, you know what will happen? You may one day come back and we are dead, me and your child. Ebuka needs to go back to the village.
Ebuka, you know what? I'll handle it myself, okay? Don't bother yourself.
Don't tell me not to be bothered. I am bothered. I am bothered already. I am bothered. Ebuka should go back to the village where he belongs. He needs to go back.
Calm down. You're stressed already. You need rest. Don't worry. I promise you I will handle this situation.
Better handle it though. The only solution is for Ebuka to go back to the village.
Trust
That's
me.
where he belongs. He does not belong to this city.
You just need rest, eh?
Ebuka, you see that Ebuka, it will never be well with you. I've said it will not be well with him. You see Ebuka, it will not be well. Very wicked boy. Baby, if you see the way he was pushing me and your baby, hey! Ebuka does not belong to this city. He needs to go back to this. Now I'm seeing that thing you've been talking about. Very wicked boy.
I will treat it for Kobe, eh?
You have to.
Usonwa or whatever you call yourself, you are not the only pregnant woman ever. Take your drama elsewhere. Else, this palace will not contain both of us. You mad? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? What do you think of yourself? Get up and fight me! Get up and fight me! Because I am pregnant, you can talk to me anyhow and you go scot-free. Get up. Are you not a strong woman again? Get up! Get up. Get up.
Leave my house. I've had enough of you. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Ebuka, leave our house.
Leave.
Leave our house. I'm not here. Leave our house.
Leave our house. Yes.
Brother Ndiala.
Leave our house. No problem.
Leave our house.
I will go.
Leave our house.
I will go, but not without her.
For what?
She must go with me.
Why?
She must give me my money. As well. My hard-earned money. My 5 million naira, she must give it to me. She must go with me.
You heard that? If anything happens to my wife or my unborn child, I will deal with you next level. I don't do anything. It's Veronica.
Call it Samantha Cable.
Leave me alone.
I told you that girl is possessed. She is sick. The earlier you do something about her, the better.
Mom, stop. Stop. I am confused.
We're gonna do something about her. That girl is going to ruin us. Angela is in a very critical condition in the hospital because of her. She may not even survive it.
So what do I do now?
Seek help. You have to seek help, Ugonna. Call a medicine man. Who knows what she will do next? I don't feel safe again in this palace. Honestly.
Baby, come on. Huh? Babe, stop. Please, stop. I realized that it was a mistake, okay? Okay? See, I'm not going to allow anything to happen to you. I won't allow anybody to harm you, okay? It's okay. Come on, stand.
Okay,
Yes.
but don't worry, I'm comfortable where I am. We are fine here.
Okay. Are you okay?
Baby,
Yes.
we want a favor from you.
Okay.
We are no longer comfortable with you wearing the royal rope. We don't like it, especially my baby. My baby does not want it at all. So he wants you to burn all of them.
Osi,
Burn all of them.
I should burn my royal ropes?
Yes.
Why?
Because we're not comfortable with it anymore. My baby does not like it. Can't you see? Baby, listen, you have to listen to us, okay? My baby says that you can wear any other thing and to suit you better. Remember you promised that if we want anything, we should just say it and it will be done.
Baby, I know I promised you a lot. But burning my royal ropes? That's insane.
Oh!
I cannot do that. You know, I'm a king.
Baby, you're calling me an insane woman? Oh, my king! You're calling me an insane woman! Ah!
Come on.
You have seen it, my child. Your mother is an insane woman. I'm so fat.
It's okay.
Even when I'm going to give you a son, you're calling me an insane woman. Oh,
okay. I am going to burn everything.
You will burn them.
Everything.
You have heard it. He said he will burn all of them. What can't we do without you?
One day, you go understand, say, now yourself, you dare do. One day, you go understand one day. Shine your eyes, oh, Malifa. The person where you think say you just stand with, oh, go fail you one day.
Baby, please stop crying. Stop crying. Remember what the doctor said about your baby. Baby, I know. I know how you feel. We are mere mortals. God knows the best, baby.
Don't talk about God. Don't talk about God. Ebuka is because Ebuka made me lose my baby. It will never be well with Ebuka. It will never be well with him.
Baby, it's okay. Stop crying, It's not good for your health. You've been through a lot these few days. Stop crying, Remember what the doctor said. All you need to do now is rest and keep resting, baby. Please, For my sake, please. Do you want me to cry too? You're breaking me down like this, please. Please, let me take you inside. Please, for my sake. Please. Sorry.
Ebuka, it will never be well with you. I'm going to punish you. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. You see, Ebuka, it will never be well with you. Ebuka, motor will jam you. Thunder will fire you. Hey.
Shine your eyes, oh, Malifa. The person where you think say you just
What is the great goddess talking about my wife's condition? I'm no longer comfortable with the pregnancy. It's past 10 months now.
Not only that, great priestess, what could be the reason for her strange behavior? We live in fear in this palace.
Retro bread. You're retro? Huh? It's about that. She's an Ogbanje. Ajakata Ogbanje. A very bad Ogbanje. And they are the one responsible for her behavior and prolonged pregnancy.
Okay, great goddess, what can we do to redeem this situation? Because I don't want anything to happen to my wife.
The only thing that can be done is sacrifice. We need to do sacrifice to separate her from spirit of Ogbanje.
What about the baby?
Not until the sacrifice is done, she will never give birth to that baby in her womb.
Obode delua, obode delua, obieza ono mara, uganda.
Oh, are you serious? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm interested now, of course. Oh, okay. Bye. My love.
What was on the phone?
Oh, my friend, he lives in the US. He imported some goods. He wants to sell them outright.
What sort of goods are they?
Photo spare parts. Maybe I think we should invest.
How many containers?
240 feet containers. My love, I think we should invest. You need to be versatile, not only electronics business. You need to have other investments. Well, try this. I believe it will work. It will bring more money for us, you know.
You're making sense, and I'm fully interested in this. Like you already said, I have to be versatile.
Yes.
You understand? I'll give it a try, and if it works out very well, I'll go into it fully. Do you understand?
Okay, my love. I would call him, then I'll get back to you.
Yes, find out details about everything, and you let me know.
You know. You know now that we are married, we have to have investment
Yes,
to
right.
show that there's a woman in your life
That's
now.
true.
Put this bone on your head. Follow me. Do not turn back. I repeat, do not turn back.
Things are falling apart. Everywhere is without peace. Gini kana sano, onyega bami anasa. Obode delu.
How's it going? What of Usonwa? Is she alright? Okay, Mom, please. Take care of her for me, please. Make sure she's alright. Okay.
Iribuna jakara. Hey, hey.
please pay in the check to your classmate account as discussed, okay?
Okay.
And make sure he confirms the payment before leaving the bank, okay?
Oh.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Ask him to send his agent number for us because I've sent my person to the wharf to confirm everything. This is very important, baby.
Baby,
I'm trusting in you.
Trust me. Oh, Mobu, trust me. I'll call him now. He will send it. Oh, my love. Oh, my love. Happy nice day. Bye, baby.
When you plan evil against the innocent, God will give you back, 'cause He's watching you. Whatever you do, oh, I'll wait you someday.
Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Trust me, I didn't know what I was doing. I can't even tell how everything happened. I had no idea. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I know that no amount of plea will bring Angela back. But for the sake of my unborn child.
Big Mommy, please forgive us. We are sorry. Please.
Queen Alice, I can feel your pain. I know what it takes to lose a child, an only child for that matter. Please forgive us. Ugonna is here for you. We are your family. Take us as your family, okay? Sorry, so sorry.
Oh, Big Mommy, stop, please. Come on, please.
Baby, I think the baby's coming.
She's in labor. She's in labor. Let's take her to the hospital.
Okay, let me get a key.
Please go. Run fast. Ugonna. Ugonna.
Okay. Hold on.
Sorry.
Why is that number switched off now? Not this time, oh.
What is that?
Let him not be what I'm thinking. Let him not be what I'm thinking. No, it's not possible now. It cannot be possible. Let him not. Honest. Mama.
What is it?
Mama, you will not understand. You will not understand.
Collins.
Mama.
What is it?
Mama, you don't understand.
Make us understand now. What is it? What is it?
What happened?
What is it?
Mama, she introduced me to a business one of our old classmates, Dr. Etiko. 2 40-feet containers worth millions of naira, Mama. Mama, as I speak to you now, I have given her the total sum for her to pay for the clearance and to pay for the old goods, Mama. Mama, as we speak right now, I gave her all the money she needs to clear the goods and pay for the worth of the goods, Mama. Mama, the buyers are already standing by to buy these goods if she had done the needful. Oh, Mama, the one that breaks my heart the most is that Chikwato is nowhere to be found, Mama. The simply means that, Mama, she has duped me, Mama. Mama, Chikwato has duped me, Mama. Mama, she has
just running with everything I got, Mama.
Hey! Hey! Chibado! Hey! Chibado! It shall never be well with you. Wherever you may go, you will never find peace. Mbano, I curse you today, and I curse you always. Hey? Where will you go with my son's money? You duped my 2 sons. Is it not a number? Mba! Collins, don't cry. Don't worry. We are from the same village. No. She will never go unpunished. Is it not? Will she not come home? We will recover the money.
One day, you go understand, say, now yourself, you dare do. One day, 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 you go understand one way. One day, one day. Shine your eyes, oh, Malifa. The person where you think say you just stand with, oh, go fail you one day. Ale melonu wanyi yo, ale melonu nyedi yamba. Hoke fokwa ginanya, you go cry hard, I know one day.